It's time for a mystery box. There is a link below in the description, but you might want to watch this video to see what's inside. Are you ready to see what's in it? My box was a little smashed. But look! Everyday Iron-On. The small packets of Everyday Iron-On. This is the Playroom Sampler. Great colors. We have stencil vinyl. You can make this and make stencils and paint them. I might have to use some of this. Premium vinyl removable pattern. So you get 3 patterns with this. This is Ditsy Dots Premium Sampler. You could decorate lots of school supplies with this. Finger paint pens. These are my favorite colors. You have yellow, orange, lime, blue, and red gel pens. Love these. Everyday Iron-On in 3 colors. This is the Elegance Sampler. You get red, silver, and black in 12 by 12 of Iron-On. Dry erase vinyl. This is not white vinyl, it's dry erase, meaning you can write on it. What a great idea for lockers. That's awesome. You can put it on the inside of a locker to write notes for your day. And then we have tomato red permanent glossy vinyl. This lasts for over 5 years. You can put this on for car decals or anything else you want that will last forever. I've even had this in the dishwasher. It lasted longer than the glass did. And some mats. You get 3 mats. This is the variety pack. So you get the blue, the light grip, which is great for paper. You get the green one, which I like to use for cardstock and vinyl and poster board and Iron-On and almost everything I use the green one for. And the purple one is strong grip. So I use that for thicker materials like leather and chipboard and wood. So we can always use new mats. Make sure you hurry. There is a link in the description below. This is not a subscription. You do not even have to have access for this box. This box is available to everybody in the United States and Canada. I do get a small commission when you use my link. Thank you, Cricut, for sending me this box so I can show all of my followers what's in the box before they purchase. Leave me a comment if you like this box, if you purchased it, or if you pass on this one. They usually sell out pretty quick, so don't wait. You can use my code CUTIE, C-U-T-I-E, to get 10% off and free shipping if you add more to your cart. That code will only work if you have $50 in your cart. You do get 10% off if you're a Cricut Access member. If you're a premium Cricut Access member, you get 20% off. And you don't even have to get it up to 50%. And you don't even have to get it up to $50. But you do if you want free shipping. So add a few more things to your cart. It'll be much cheaper than paying for shipping. And you'll get more discounts. My coupon code stacks with the sales and with all the other discounts.